Hi there! Let's visit our hotel panel. Today, we'll be exploring the hotel panel, providing an overview of what we offer in this panel. We provide various features, such as booking options, a map view, and the ability to create specific trip features. We'll begin by creating a trip. Our first step is to log in. Here is where we log in. After we click on the Submit button, we successfully log in. It's important to note that we do not directly provide an option for hotels to register themselves. Instead, as the admin, we can provide credentials. If a hotel wishes to use our platform, they need to inform our admin, and then registration on our hotel panel can be facilitated. Now, let's talk about the purpose of our hotel panel. The hotel panel's primary function is to book taxis for their customers, aiming to offer convenient transportation services. This includes taxi services to and from the hotel, like airports and railway stations, enhancing the overall guest experience. Providing this service makes the stay more enjoyable and less stressful for guests, and it also contributes to the hotel's reputation for excellent customer service. Here you can see all the details. We have a menu where you can view various options. You'll find the map, book a trip options, completed requests, and future request. On the dashboard, you can see that we are equipped to create a trip for our customer. Here you can see the pickup address. Unfortunately, this address cannot be changed directly. If you need to change your pickup address, you must contact the administrator, who has the ability to make that update. Moving on, you do have the flexibility to change your destination address here. Additionally, we offer a multiple stop option for customers who intend to make stops at multiple locations during their trip. By clicking on Select Type, you will be able to see all the necessary details, like the service type. For example, we can view that the service type is sedan. Here you'll also learn about trip type as Now, Rental, and Rideshare options. You can view the estimated costs for different trip types, whether for rental or rideshare. Moreover, you can add all customer details for any kind of trip here. This includes adding details from users and manually entering information. We also offer a map view to enhance the user experience. On the map, you can track various statuses like new, accepted, arrival, and your own ride. These statuses give insights into the trip's progression, such as the driver's arrival, the customer's location, and the trip's current phase. Finally, there's a Create New button that allows you to initiate a new trip. Once created, you can see all the trip details, including pickup and destination addresses, as well as timing. Here you can see another option. If you want to manually assign any kind of driver, you're able to do so. Following that, we are looking at the Complete Trip Request section. In this section, you can view all the requests completed by drivers. We provide the option to mark a request as incomplete if necessary. Additionally, we offer a search function by user. If you need to search for a specific user, you can easily do that. Or if you want to search by driver, that's also possible. You can search by both user and driver. Furthermore, we have included a filter option for daily filtering, so you can filter the data accordingly. For example, if you select a range of 4 to 5 days in January, you'll be able to see all the relevant details. However, if the trip is not created on that date, you won't be able to view the details. We've also added a clear filter button for convenience. Next, let's look at the export function. This button allows you to export all completed requests. If you need to export filtered requests, that's also an option. We've also provided a feature for export history, so you can track when files were exported and view the exported file information. Additionally, you can see all the details like user information, driver information, as well as destination and pickup address details. You can also view these details on a map, and if you need to download an invoice, that function is available as well. And here, you can see all the details of the invoice. To summarize the invoice, we calculate the order price based on distance and time. You can also observe when we create our trip, when the driver accepts our trip, and when the driver is en route to our location. Then you can see when they arrive, when our driver is able to start the trip, and finally when we complete it. So, here you can view all the details of a particular trip. After that, we move on to future requests. Currently, there are no records for future requests, but if you create a scheduled trip, all the past trips can be viewed here. This is the use case for the future request. Additionally, you can book a trip and even create one using the Book Trip option. This overview of our hotel panel also allows you to change the language if needed. Here, you can see how to change the language and even adjust for right-to-left text direction, depending on the admin's permission. With the correct permissions, you can access all language details here. This icon allows you to toggle dark mode, adjusting the theme to your preference. You can also customize the border radius, whether you prefer rounded or flat edges. We provide all these facilities in our hotel panel. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you an overview of how AutoFlow works. Thank you for watching. No information,